Hi, my name is Jelai and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how we celebrated Yori's 10th birthday. So birthday ni Yori in a few days and I did order some decors for her birthday from Lazada. Okay, so may mga balloon sticks, and then birthday banner, paper cups as well. So ang theme is gold and black. Gold, black, and white. May balloons. More balloons. Yung foil. Order din ako ng pump. And mga headbands for our guests. Our human guests. Nag-grocery shopping kami ni Julia for Yori's party. We bought prizes, tokens, and food such as hot dogs and chicken nuggets. That night, nag-start na din akong mag-pack ng mga giveaways or tokens for our fur friends. Gumawa din ako ng mga thank you stickers na idinikit ko sa gift bags. Of course, tulog si Yori. Pero maya-maya lang, nalanghap niya yung amoy at syempre, gusto niya munang tikman ng mga giveaways niya. Happy birthday! Tayo ka na. Oh. Oh. Tayo na. Stretch! Stretch! Ay. Ay, 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 ay. Actually, sakto kasi malapit talaga birthday ni Yori sa fiesta ng Tanay, yung town namin. Kaya very festive ang week na to. Yung mga banda po, hindi po namin hinire. Talaga lang pong nag-iikot sila sa bayan. We have hot dogs with marshmallows, noodles, and iced tea for our human guests. Kasi merienda lang po talaga itong mini but festive party ni Yori. For the dogs naman, may boiled chicken at iba't ibang klaseng dog treats. Nagkaroon din kami ng chicken nugget eating contest. For the big dogs category, andyan si Lady Gaga, pizza, and Stacy. Si Pizza ang nanalo sa category na to. For the medium-sized dogs, andyan si Ranger, Molly, at ang hindi papahuli sa chicken, si Yori. At ang nagwagi sa category na to ay walang iba kung hindi si Yori. And of course, to wrap it up, nag-blow kami ng birthday candles. Happy 10th birthday, Yori, and thank you all so much for coming. Hi! Hi! So ngayon, mag-unwrap kami ng mga presents or gifts niya na nakuha niya nung birthday party niya from our family and friends. So first up is from Kuya Mer. Ito mo. Uy, gusto niya. So, pedigree tasty bites. Wow! Nagustuhan mo? Okay, next is to Yori from Louie. From Louie. Are you curious kung ano to? Oh, food na naman. Magugustuhan talaga niyo. Thank you Louie and Ate Marty. Hindi ko alam, di pa siya nakakain ng strawberry, so... Yori! Ay! Nalagyan sa nose. Nalagyan siya sa nose. Ay! Nakala niya solid. Oo. Woo! Nagustuhan niya. Hindi pa siya nakakain ng creamy treat before, so feeling niya solid. Ayan, gusto niya. Thank you, Ate Marty and Louie. Nagustuhan ni Yori. Ang cute. Next up is from Ate Mary and Ate Regina. Ayan. And Molly. Nahuhulaan mo ba kung ano to? Medyo lukot-lukot na kasi nahulaan na ni Naviel kung ano. Ito pa. Hey, open na natin. Thank you, Molly, Ate Regina, and Ate Mary. Wow! Favorite niya chicken. Kaya binigyan ka ng chicken. Yori! So, may nakuha kaming chicken. Okay, next is from Ate Biel. Oh, may ribbon pa si Biel. Thank you, Ate Biel. From Sassy, Ranger, and Suga. Ang ganda! We need this kasi madalas naglalagas ng buhok si Yori. Yori! Ooh! Nakita ko nga to sa minis at tapos nagandahan ako. Thank you! Thank you, Ate Biel! Pangkuha ng buhok mo. At may lid pa siya, oh. Thank you, Ate Biel! And last but not the least, from Ate Angel. Ooh, ang pretty naman ng gift wrapping. Oh, thank you, Ate Angel! Ang daming gift sa'yo! Wow! Food! More food! Wow! And shampoo! Thank you, Ate Angel! So, may milky biscuits tayo. And doggy biscuits. And buy a pet dog shampoo. Ayan. Cute. Oh, ayan. Gusto niya. Oh, pakikita ko muna. Okay. Sige, sige. Sit! Sit ka. Pakita mo yung talak mo. Po! Po! Wow! Sit, sit ka. Sit. Okay, okay. Wow! Very good. Thank you everyone for the gifts. And then, bonus pa, may gift din siya from Mom and Lola. Niregaluhan ni Lola at ni Mommy si Yori ng stroller after nilang makita yung stroller ni Viel for her dogs. Sakto kasi dumating siya nung nag-mall kami and safe to say na na-enjoy siya ni Yori. It was also very convenient kasi hindi magaan si Yori and kapag inaantok na siya, sobrang helpful nitong gift na to. Thank you so much, Mom and Lola. The greatest gift of all is our visit to the vet. Ito si Choknut, by the way. Siya yung resident cat sa Tanay Vet Clinic. May dalang mga treats from her birthday si Yori para sa clinic. Pero as you can see, ready to go na siya. Akala niya gagala lang kasi kami. Yung malaman namin na maganda yung overall result ng health niya is the most important thing. And we are so thankful. She's been through a lot last year with her health, and to know that she's all good is just everything. Again, happy 10th birthday, Yori. If you made it up to here, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. To all our family and friends, I hope we can have everyone over in our future dog parties. You guys have been such a huge part of Yori's life. We are so grateful and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, please. Thanks for watching!
Bye.